I let her intimidate me for like half a fucking mile. Judicious. So, and it was only like 20 books and hey, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Asia G, and if you're not, welcome back. So December book of the month. It's called The Midnight Library. So basically the premise of the book is this lady, she is like depressed and sad, and she's just feeling kind of like unmotivated, uninspired, unneeded in life. So she decides to unalive herself. Instead of dying, she goes to like this in-between place. To me, it kind of sounds like a purgatory, called the Midnight Library. In the Midnight Library, there is a person there who is, they're not God necessarily. It's a lady that was very significant to her, who was really kind, and that kind of embodies the person who guides her through the Midnight Library. So in the Midnight Library, there's like a gabillion books. It's a million books. The way they put it is it's an infinity amount of books of different ways different ways her life could have worked out depending on the choices that she made. So it just kind of, she goes through like all of these different books, like if I chose to actually follow my singing career, if I chose to keep swimming and be an Olympic swimmer, if I chose to not marry Dan, if I chose to marry Dan, if I chose to accept this date with this guy. So it just kind of goes through all of these things that you think that if you made like this one little decision different, how different your life could have been, which is true, but then would you actually have been happy in that life? So she kind of goes through all these different lives, and if she finds a life that she likes, she can stay in that life. Her memory of the Midnight Library on her previous life will like slowly fade as she get more integrated into the new life. And one thing that she did like in the beginning, like when you're thinking of your regrets or whatever, because she went through her book of regrets, like the first few lives that she chose, they were lives that other people would have wanted her to have. And the lady tells her, she's like, you are thinking so small. I'm telling you that you can live an infinite amount of lives, any number of lives that you could dream of. Why are you picking lives that somebody else would have wanted for you? And I thought, like, sometimes we think so small, our imagination isn't big enough to think that you could be anything you wanted to be, choose any kind of different decision that you could have wanted to have. Just pick anything out of your head, and you picking stuff from everyday things. So even though the main character in the book is 35, to me it reads like a young adult novel. But overall, I still really like the book. I won't tell y'all what she picked, because I hope that y'all kind of pick it up. And I feel like it's a really good book if you are thinking, like, I have this one instance in my life that I feel like I would change. Like back in 6th grade, I was so scared to fight this girl. I let her intimidate me for like half a fucking mile. Okay, it was really like a quarter of a mile. And then my sister came in and put them hands on her, but I didn't put hands on her. And I feel like if I could go back to that one little time, that one little fight, I feel like I would have been like a more confident person. But I also realized because of that one little fight and my sister came in, like I have an infinite amount of trust like in my sister. Like I know that she would show up for me. Like even if she wouldn't show up for herself, even if she is not a fighter for herself, I know that she would show up and fight for me, if that makes sense. So it's just kind of just looking on what I did gain from that experience. And I'm gonna go return this book to the library because I've been using my public library for these next 2 books, and I'm gonna go get my new book for December. I feel like I'm gonna get 2 books in for December. Today is December the 16th. I should be able to get 2 books in the month of December, and I'm excited about that. So I'm gonna go return it to the library, and I'm gonna come back out and I'm gonna tell y'all what the next book is. And hopefully y'all already got this book, because I already told y'all about this book. And I'm back. The second book of the month is the book that I talked about like maybe 2 videos ago, The Fine Art of Small Talk: How to Start a Conversation, Keep It Going, Build Rapport, and Leave a Positive Impression. And this is the newly revised 2nd edition. This should be a quick read because it's more like an instruction kind of manual thing, and it has like pictures and like text boxes. So even though it looks like this, it's already thin and small. Now y'all know where we're going next. The gym. We gonna go to the gym. JYM gym. Do y'all feel like y'all crack yourself up? Like, people don't think I'm funny, but I think I'm hilarious. Like, I could entertain myself for hours. So you know how you can make yourself depressed and sad, but can you make yourself happy? Can you make yourself laugh? That other book, The Midnight Library, was very much a book about mental health, clearly because she was trying to unalive herself. The way that you view things, and once a decision or something has been made, moving on and then making the best of the situation and not being kind of stuck. And not like a negative positivity or a toxic positivity, but saying, okay, this happened, but moving forward, this is how I'm going to move. Or moving forward, I'm going to make this decision differently. Or moving forward, I learned this, this, and this. I feel like they had like some really good gems and kind of takeaways. Because sometimes you get the thing that you want, or things happen exactly how you thought it should happen, and then you still don't feel that feeling that you thought you was going to feel. So now you feel even more broken. And ain't that the fucking worst?
My clothes on the floor like J-Lo. Really Rouge shine bright like a halo. Sunsets like where did the day go? Yeah, where did the day go? Double book, never learn how to say no. Breaking down, maybe I need a break though. Cause my mind's dried up like Play-Doh. That's okay though. I'm a bad bitch, better than my habits. Truly tragic. I'm like, damn. Can't keep my room clean. I can't keep a routine. Let me introduce me. I'm an HOTMESS. Inbox full, but I don't check. Drove by a gym and I'm out of breath. HOT mess. HOTMESS. How many times have I worn these sweats? Try my worst, try my best. I'm an HOT mess. And if you need a how-to, let me break it down for you. Step 1, don't give a fuck. Step 2, just give up. Step 3, now that you've joined the club, let the world know you're one of us. Let the world know you're one of us. One of us, one of us. I'm a bad bitch, better than my habits. Truly tragic. I'm like, damn.
The gym was excellent. Muy excelente. I just kept it really short. I did cardio, which I didn't record, which of course is elliptical and the Stairmaster. And then now I'm heading to Creative Arrow. It is like a creative space where like artists, designers, thrift sellers, kind of stuff like that. So I'm gonna head over there because I saw this painting that I wanted last week, maybe week before last. So I want to look there. And then I also saw this cute kind of like shirt from a designer, and I want to see how much the shirt was. In my mind, I have a number that I'm willing to pay. If it's over that number, it's gonna have to stay. Bars, okay, bars. The other thing is, before I went to the gym, I stopped by the vitamin shop. I usually shop at GNC. Baby, where you going? So I usually shop at GNC, but I really wanted to try like the OxyShred, and GNC does not have OxyShred. These OxyShreds. So I'm curious to see how these taste. I won't drink them today because I already had like pre-workout for the gym. Oh, it's not an Olipop, it's called Poppy. I had a ginger ale one of these the other day. It was really, really good. So I just picked this one up. But $3? I wanted to try like that Oxy Burn, OxyShred, like the burn that everybody talks about, but they wanted $60. $60. I'm not doing it yet. I'm not doing it yet. I feel myself gonna break down because I really want to try. And they had peach rings, which is the one I wanted to try. So I may end up trying it, but I just was like, not today, because I plan to go look for some more Christmas gifts. So I have to be not studious. I have to be. It's a word that I'm looking for with my money. So we're gonna do that. I just wanted to check in after the gym. See y'all at the place. Judicious. I have to be judicious with my money during the holiday season. Bye.
I know we've been heavy on the takers, but the givers, you are not of fault here either. There's some things you need to control, right? I think love is blinding. So when you love somebody, you truly, want to see them do well, it will blind you to the fact that you are being drained. Or you might know it and you just believe that this is the last time.
I wonder, do takers know they take us? Like, you always hear about givers and takers, and like, I feel like givers usually know that they're givers, and so you don't have, somebody would proudly say like, I'm a giver, which can be synonymous with like easily took advantage of, because you're going to give regardless, right? So I wonder, like, do takers know that they're takers? Do they know that they are energy drainers? Because I don't feel like there's something that somebody will walk around and just say like, I'm a taker, I take things, like I take energy. So I just wonder, do takers know they takers? And what's the bright side of being a taker? Being able to receive. So I wonder, do they say I'm a taker, or do they say I am able to receive? I am a receiver. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that's the sunshine part of being a taker. I don't think they view themselves as takers. They view themselves, maybe it's like receivers and always abundantly blessed. You know, I just wonder. All right, bye. The same tree from last year, and I don't know how to make y'all uncrook it. It's two-tone. Like, this is yellow, this is white. This is yellow, this is white. I don't like that. But we're here now on December the 16th. So we got what we got. Now why they got that Christmas pink one twerking? I don't know. Put the gifts together and then put them under the tree. And I mostly just have like my nieces and nephew gifts, so it's like a bunch of toys and then some clothes. But I was like excited about a couple of things that I did get from Target. Target was the store this year, and I'm gonna share that and then I'm gonna let y'all go. So I found this really cute Target basket. I'm not gonna say which niece and nephew get me, but anyway, I thought that was cute, and it was only like 20 bucks. And on the inside, it actually, I'm not gonna take that out, but on the inside it actually comes like with shopping food. And then I got one of my nieces a Baby Alive. Hopefully she likes this. And it came like with food. I feel like I bought extra food. I bought extra food to go with it. Oh, I was gonna show y'all the bags I got from TJ Maxx. And then the cute bags that I got from TJ Maxx, I think it was like $3.99. Yeah, $3.99, and I already came with the tissue paper. It's like a cute, like vintage looking Santa Claus. This is exactly how all the Santa Claus decorations looked when I was a kid. How cute is this? Kittens and mittens. Well, I guess they stocking stuff, but kitten and mittens rhyme better. Anyway, same thing, $3.99, and it already comes with the tissue paper. And then for my nephew, that is, he's 8. He's 9. He's 8. He's 8. I thought that was like big boy cool. A moose, fox, polar bear. I'm assuming it's a raccoon. And then how cute is this? Pink and gold Christmas trees. For all of the gift cards, I just got really cute gift card boxes. And these was pretty cheap too. They was $4.99. So like $1 and some change for each box. And then the last thing are these really cute name tags. So these are only $4.99 too. So I don't know if y'all have already done like y'all gift shopping for Christmas. Y'all may be like me, really like putting up your trees and getting the bags and doing all of the things, I still have more gifts to get. Okay, all the other stuff I got, I can't really show, but those are the main things. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put these gifts together tonight, but they'll be together hopefully no later than Christmas. No later than Christmas. And that is it. I will see you guys. Oh, did I tell y'all? I thrifted these pajamas. You know, it's missing a button right here, but you can't really tell the way I ironed it. These are from Old Navy, and they have a black Santa Claus on them. And it was like a two-piece set. I think they was at the thrift store for like $4.99. Okay, I came home, washed them, ironed it up a little bit up top. These are so cute. And they have these same pajamas on the site again this year, because I was on Old Navy looking around, and they do have it. So if y'all do like this two-piece set pajama with the black Santa Claus, Old Navy does have it. Okay, this is a small. That explains. That explains it. I'm wearing them in a small. The small fits, but I would have really liked it probably in a medium a little bit better. But the small is what they have, and when you thrift, you get what they got. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time.